2023, your best friend are gonna be discipline, focus, commitment. Let me say it again. 2023, your best friend are gonna be discipline, focus, commitment. Set an objective. Stay consistent. Stay focused. You see me? Be disciplined. All the day them when you get up and you don't want to do nothing, go at it. It's not go easy, but it will be worth it. And celebrate the small victory them. You see me? So every time you inch away at the objective, see it as a victory. That will keep you motivated until you reach a final stage. Discipline, consistency, focus. 2023 that for you in a nutshell.